Yeah, here we are. I'm 0FXB fixing a iPhone 7. Got it in pieces now. I'm talking on America Link at the same time with the FT5. G0LGF, yeah, sorry about the delay, got you now. So, yeah, it's all working fine. How you doing? I'm on the YAESU FT5. And we've got Ham Shack Hotline in the background at the moment.
Jeff, yeah, morning, Andrew. Yeah, trust you, well, you were okay. I got an ID31E handheld, and I cross-linked it into this secure UK, but it's not the same modulation. But then I tried to connect to one Charlie, and I've a hell of a job.
Just using a jumbo hotspot.
It seems to go on 30 Charlie. Change the configuration in the configuration of the dashboard. So if that's working okay, that's fine. And fine on your working condition now. This is the FT5D.
M0 FXB returning. Yeah, I'm on the YAESU FT5. Did you say you've got a 51? But I can hear that you said that you're back on the YAESU FT70, which is always very reliable radios, and it always sounds good. It's really good audio there. Just confirm that you're on America Link, and I need to check mine as well. This is what we do when we're bored. Fix our kids' phones.
Yeah, M0FXB from G0LGF, okay. Alternative. Yeah, okay, Andrews. No, I'm on the FT70D. The other rig I had was an ID31E. An ID31E handheld, an old one. Just UHF only. I just acquired that from D-Star. But I can cross-link it into this mode.
And the hotspot you saw is the DvMega hotspot. And if you look, we're on FCS 390, and that's America Link.
I think it gets overcrowded most of the time. When somebody else said to me, I think a lot of them just have it connected to one Charlie, and she's reloaded it and just slow the system down.
There's my tools for fixing phones. And the screen was about £15.
Thanks for the audio report you're sending fine also there, and just using a cheap and cheerful speaker.
And that's Ham Shack Hotline.
With this radio, Mike 0, Fox, X-ray, Bravo, G0L,
Node 5, 6, 1, 6, 7, 8, connected.
You can see we're multitasking. It's on the B band. We've got HubNet. Let's hold it down. Go back to Terry there. Yeah, okay, Terry. Well, you're sounding good. It seems like it's working fine now. Yeah, I tend to sit on 1 Charlie and 30. There are gaps there. The one that is really, really busy, it's hard to get off, is Talk Group 91, isn't it, on DMR? So yeah, you take care. Catch you soon. I run the ID 51. 31 is a very nice set, though, isn't it? 7-3, all the best. So hopefully he got that. I mean, I really recommend the YAESU FT5. It's just a fantastic radio and well priced.
Yeah, M0FXB from G0LGF. Okay, yeah, fine there. I see it's sounding good on the ID51. Nice piece of kit. Yeah, the 31E is an old piece of kit now, but I traded it. I swapped with a friend of mine for the FT1D because I'm not using that, and I didn't want 3 rigs on Fusion, so I thought I'd get one on D-Star. But I can go into my dashboard and go on the DMR, but whether this would cross-link from D-Star or Fusion onto DMR through this hotspot, I'm not really sure.
There you go, 7-3, all the best. Please like and subscribe my channel.